I'm sorry, Mr. Siegel, we're going to now project an important win for Vice President Al Gore. NBC News projects that he wins the 25 electoral votes in the state of Florida. It turns out that Governor Jeb Bush was not his brother's keeper. The family had been joking, and seriously, that it could be a cold Thanksgiving. Tim Russert, that's great news in Nashville tonight.
That is a very, very, very important state for Al Gore. And now the pressure is on George W. Bush in Pennsylvania and Michigan. And those polls close in about 10 minutes, Tom. All along, George W. Bush had been telling everybody, I'm going to carry Florida. I already have Texas. I'm going to carry Florida and then move up north. Without Florida now in his pocket, he really has to win those battleground Midwest states. Pennsylvania has 23 electoral votes. If he trades that for Florida, it's only a net loss of 2. If he loses Pennsylvania and Michigan, it gets very difficult to reach 270. Still doable, but very, very difficult. It means winning 10 of the 12 remaining battleground states, 5 of which have gone Democratic the last 3 times.
A big call to make. CNN announces that we call Florida in the Al Gore column. This is a state both campaigns desperately wanted to win. The state of Florida fought over very hard. The state with the Republican governor named Bush, the brother of the Republican nominee, Jeff Greenfield. This is something that is not making the Bush campaign happy tonight.
This is a roadblock the size of a boulder to George W. Bush's path to the White House. They had counted these 25 electoral votes from the moment George Bush entered the campaign before he was even nominated. Democrats have a very tough time in Florida, whether it was Social Security, the turnout, Joe Lieberman. Now, George W. Bush has to look to Michigan, Pennsylvania, Ohio, and those smaller states really become critical.